We are at the NXT Conclave right now, and we are joined by Mr. Vivek Thankha. Sir, thank you so much for joining us and being at this particular conclave. And sir, first of all, how was your experience has been to attend these sessions and to be at the NXT Conclave?
I can only say that it's a wonderful initiative, and it's not just a dream come true for Karthik. It's like a dream come true for me also. I was looking towards India of becoming a global player in media. And for last many years, I would tell Karthik, you have the potential to do it. And he's done it this time. Yeah. And with the launch of NewsX World, I think this will be the first channel from India which will be truly global. And congratulations to NewsX team and Karthik in person.
And sir, any takeaways that you want to share that you have taken from this particular conclave that has happened?
The way the summit, which is the next, got connected with the launch is another thing you need to learn from Karthik. He brought people from various walks of life, not political leaders, important people, knowledgeable people, experienced people who have made a name in their various sectors. And whether it be medicine, whether it be accounts, whether it be medicine, whether it be accounts, whether it be space, whether it be law, you name it. There were at least 16 areas. And people who matter and who are looking at these areas for next 50 years. How in India and the world will shape and change. So this is what he has done through this program. So I think it's a beautiful marriage of two things: a world channel with a dialogue session, the next, which is going to guide us in our future.
Yeah, and so lastly, any message to the NewsX World team and the NXT team?
I can say that you have a great challenge ahead of you. This is just the beginning.
Yeah.
And I wish to see you as the leaders in media, yeah, and with truth and veracity being your strong point, and become a channel which everybody would like to switch on when there's an emergency.
Indeed. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this was Mr. Vivek Thankha. I'm Mehendi Garg for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.